Hi everyone, Emily here, and I'm back to show you my new project. And you can see this is the house. Yeah, it's a home sweet home house box with the journal. You can see, yeah. And I first cut out the window and layer. And this image is I purchased from Etsy shop. It's the digital image. So underneath I layer this and the shutter. So watering can in the front here, and yeah, I make it look, yeah, dimension. I just like so. And the bird nest here, bird house, and home sweet home. And this is the side here. I will have the bicycle, and this is the back. It's the door, and this is the side here. The books. Yeah. Okay, the door open up. And it's a journal inside the box house here. So, yeah, make it same with the house. Same image, but the size is different. Also with the plant. And home is where your story began. Okay, and this is back. Show you. So it's the paperback journal. I have so much fun to make this. So cute. Door, page open up. So here. All this is I purchased from Etsy shop. Is the digital print out. So it's another page here. And here. Okay, put it up. Both sides open. Here. Another page with the window page. Hang in there. It's a tag. And another tag here. On 3 days. And you can write, yeah, something here. Another image, another page. Pretty shabby sheet paper, I love this. And the last page here, and I didn't put any tag here. Yeah, I should do. Another beautiful lady here. Having somewhere to go is home. Having someone to love is family. Having both is a blessing. And put the tag here also. This is the back, and actually you can open it up. Put here. So this is my latest project and kit. And yeah, hope you all like this. Okay, so and yeah, please leave me a comment and let me know what you all think. And if you like this kit, this project, just give me a big thumbs up. And thanks for again for everyone for stopping by to my channel, and bye bye.